Hi and welcome to Flash tutorial. This tutorial is not going to take that long because all of these settings are just together apart from these lines that I drew. So let me just take you guys straight into Flash so that you see how I put this together. Now I'm going to just get rid of everything right there. There's nothing there, so let's bring it down. The first part is the floor here. So the stage, that's the color of the stage, and there's the lines that I drew around it. Let's change that to 50%. That's just the line drawn around it. You can see that's it right there, and let's just move it so that you see it. That's it there. Take it back. Then the next thing, I then incorporated the floor. That's the floor right there. So that's the floor. That's my floor there. Okay. So, and then lock up the floor. Then just draw another line. Just drew another line and drew 1, 2, 3 lines and the window frame here. Okay, then lock that up, open up the wall. That's the wall right there, and show you the window. Okay, and that's just the plain drawing of the sitting room or whatever you call it. But right here, and I have my sofa, the first sofa. That's the first sofa there. I modified this sofa using the component here. That's it right there. Okay, bitmap, trace. So maybe I should modify it more. Let me close this so that you guys see it. I'll take it to about 100. You see the way it's looking like right now. So I'm going to just modify it a little bit more, make it look old. So let's go to modify, bitmap, trace. So let's make that maybe about 80, and here I'm gonna go for about 30 there. I've got many corners, that's fine, and very tight. Or should I go for very smooth? Let's see what will happen with very smooth. Can you see the way it looks? It looks a little bit deformed, but let me run it and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks a bit deformed, but that's not too bad. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'll leave it. I'll leave that. Okay, so the next thing is, let me show you the other sofa here. That's it. I have 2 more sofas there. What I've just done in here is place one sofa right there and just copy this one. Okay, this is just a copy. Supposing I delete that, this is the one I copied. Press Ctrl D, you made your own copy, place it right there and go to modify, come to transform and flip horizontally. That's all I did right there. Okay, then the next thing is just go to the property and reduce the width. That's it there. That's the sofa in place. Now lock that up. I have another layer here, and that's for the center table, or if you want to call that coffee table. That is it right there. In this case, this coffee table is not modified yet, so let's just put a table there. So now select it, go to modify, bitmap, trace bitmap. That's let's go for about maybe 70, 20 right there. Please enter a number. Yeah, 20. Okay, let's go for very tight. It's not that tight, so maybe smooth is fine. Okay, click on OK. So when you look at the center table, you see the way it looks. It looks a little bit maybe deformed. Well, as far as I'm concerned, that's alright. Okay, that's my center table right there. So if I run it, this is how it looks for now. but maybe we should embed or incorporate a flower somewhere there. So let's get a plant. I think I can get that from some of my previous drawing. Yeah, so let's go straight to the library or create a layer first. And right here, let's just get a flower there. Alright, so library, where is it? There. Move it in there. That's my flower right there. Okay, now use the transformer tool right here. Let's take it up. Yeah, and now we need to position it somewhere. Think about there. So move this right behind the sofa there, and I think that should do it. Yeah, why not? Okay, if we test the scene, this is how it's looking right now. Okay, so let's reduce this and let's unlock everything and move this. Select the unlock and select this. Let's move it right and move this one a little bit here and do that. Type it in. Okay, so take it back to 100, run the final program, and that is how you draw maybe a living room, if you want to call it a living room, or a waiting room in Flash. Bye for now.